In this video, we'll show you how to delete Salesforce records and how to restore deleted ones. As always, start by clicking Create Job. Give your job a meaningful name. Let's call it Delete Lead Records. Choose the delete operation, then upload your file containing the IDs of the records you want to delete. Next up, Setup. You can also view your file contents right here. Select the column that contains the record IDs to be deleted. We'll quickly check that the contents look like Salesforce record IDs. Then, select the Salesforce object from which to delete these records. Next, the Run step. Run Now is selected by default. Click Run Job. Let the magic happen. And you're done. Click the Job tile to view job details. Download the success file. It lists all records that were successfully deleted. If any deletions failed, a separate file will show those records. Files are available for 7 days. Now, suppose you want to restore those deleted records. A restore job has been automatically created for you, with all record IDs preloaded from your delete job success file. You can view the file contents to confirm. Next, click Run Job. Let the magic happen again. No problemo. And you're done. Click the Job tile to view details. Download the success file. It lists all successfully restored records. If any records couldn't be restored, you'll find them in a separate file. Files are available for 7 days.